Hi YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette. I wanted to share with you a flower that happened to visit. I don't know the name of this plant. I guess I could look it up. I will look it up. But if any of you know the name of this plant, please let me know what it is. It's very beautiful. It has a lot of nice color in it. It has more, actually had more color in the summertime than it does now, but it gave me a beautiful surprise. It is blooming, and now the little, oh, where'd it go? Oh, and now the little flowers are opening up. Isn't that nice? So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. And this was a plant that I threw a couple of tomato pieces in this summer, and it gave me tomatoes, and I let the pieces in, and they're actually still alive. Barely. They're actually still alive. I'm probably gonna pull them out. Yeah, so oh yeah, so here's the other one. It's still growing. It's still growing. And then I got a little green piece down here that I saw. There it is. So I might just cut the top off since I got some greenery growing down there. But I'll make that decision in a day or so. Anyway, yeah. So, yeah, that's my tomato. But the star of the day is my flower spike. Isn't it? That's just beautiful. Yeah, so it's got pinkish flowers, and it's blooming white. And it looks like it's blooming white. And because I have the scent of the tomato plant, I can't smell and see what that spike is like right now. So plus I got the tomato all on my hand now. But yes, I wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to love someone, give them a kiss, and appreciate the small things. Yeah, you remember, like and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Okay? God bless you all, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.